When it comes to remote control toys, HDI has a great selection for you. Our first one is the Vivitar Fly and View drone with a camera. This is a great toy, lots of maneuverability. There's 4 propellers on it that keep the drone well under control. We also have a smaller version, which is a drone quadcopter. It will fly in all directions, and it's nice and small for younger kids. We also have some remote control trucks, Lamborghinis, Shelbys, and pickup trucks that are also really well made, good quality replicas of the actual vehicles. Also in our RC collection, we have an RC Street Racer, which is a very cute little ATV type of vehicle. We have our Cross Country Climb, which is a monster truck. What little boy or girl wouldn't love to play with a monster truck and build all kinds of ramps and terrain for it to go up and down? We also have our remote control fighting robots. These are going to be a lot of fun. Each of the robots has its own remote control so that you can play with a friend or a sibling. How fun is that? Those are our remote control toys.